Describe a movie you watched recently that you felt disappointed about. When it was, why you didn't like it, why you decided to watch it, and explain why you felt disappointed about it.
Nowadays, there are so much contents to watch online because of streaming website like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Apple, and so on. There are so much choices, but I am very selective what I watch. In fact, I only watch something after exploring 2 or 3 reviews from the authentic website or the source. Recently, I watched a movie, and this movie name is The Musais, and it's a Turkey movie, and it's a classical movie also. Most of the time, I went to the Star Cineplex with my father. That day, my father was very busy. That's why I went to the Star Cineplex with one of my best friends. And this movie is the sequential movie, and first part was released in 2015 by the renowned director, and director name is the Masum. In this movie, the director tried to depict this movie in a mind-blowing way, and its cinematography was really high. That's why first time when I explored this movie, I became very excited, and several times, minimum 4 times, I watched this movie. So the director, when released this movie in 2020, I determined I have to explore this movie. That's why I went to the cinema hall, but I became very frustrated and disappointed also, because in this movie the director cannot explain it all the movie, and cannot tell the story in a sequential way. That's why I become disappointed. And if I mention one main reason about this movie, and about my disappointed, my expectation was high, but movie quality was not good. And if I give rating, I will give 6.5. and if I compare first part and second part, this movie was really bad.